The Ultimate Virtual Assistant Tutorial. Master the art of remote assistance. Here are what you will get with this tutorial. Welcome to the Ultimate Virtual Assistant Tutorial, a step-by-step process of becoming an exceptional virtual assistant. This tutorial will equip you with the knowledge and tools to thrive in the world of remote assistance, whether you are new or want to enhance your skills. Welcome back! We are now moving on to identifying the skills and qualities required for a virtual assistant. Here are the key skills and qualities to focus on. Excellent communication skills. Clear and concise communication helps you understand client instructions, ask clarifying questions, and provide updates effectively. Organizational abilities. Being organized allows you to prioritize work, stay focused, and deliver results in a timely manner. Time management. Effective time management is crucial as a virtual assistant. This skill ensures that you meet client expectations and deliver work on schedule. Technical proficiency. Proficiency in using digital tools, software, and online platforms is essential. Problem-solving abilities. As a virtual assistant, you will encounter challenges and obstacles. Being resourceful and adaptable enables you to overcome obstacles efficiently. Attention to detail. Small errors can have significant consequences, so being meticulous in your tasks ensures client satisfaction and builds trust. Professionalism and reliability. Demonstrating professionalism, reliability, and a strong work ethic is essential. Maintaining a professional demeanor and meeting commitments is key to building long-term client relationships. Self-motivation and independence. Being proactive, taking initiative, and managing your workload effectively are essential for success in this role. Flexibility and adaptability. Virtual assistants often work with clients from diverse industries and face changing priorities. Developing and honing the skills and qualities required for a virtual assistant role can position you as a highly competent and sought-after professional. Follow and subscribe to Streamline International Solutions for more.